Hello, in this video we're gonna check the size of Haier refrigerator. To do this, we'll be measuring it from all of the sides, and first we're gonna start with the width from the front side, and it's exactly 70 centimeters. Then we can measure the height and the length, and this can be actually adjusted with the legs, so that's not the exact size, but it is around 90 centimeters. And we can also check the width of the sides, and in this case with the door it's 64 centimeters. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.